Nagbabalik ang tulong ko pa sa mga global sa TFC, The Filipino Channel. Ako pa rin po inyong kapamilya, Aveline Garcia. Kapamilya, bahagi ng tulong pampaganda ng buhay ay ang segment na kung kaya niya, kaya mo rin. Nais namin na ang bawat kwento ay humimok sa inyo na maniwala at umaksyon sa inyong mga misyon sa buhay. Dahil ang paniniwala namin, kung kaya niya, kaya mo rin. Extraordinary and outstanding Filipinos all over the world are featured. Today, we will feature the people behind this very noble advocacy on empowering people with motherrhosis. Alam niyo po, kamakailan lang ay nakapanayam ko sa Pilipinas ang past president and president of the Rotary Club of San Juan del Monte na sina Annette Esperas at Candy Ray, kasama ng founder ng Pretty Looks na si Susan de la Fuente. Sila ay nagsanib puwersa para matulungan ang mga taong may motherrhosis condition. Alam mo ba kapamilya na ang Rotary Club of San Juan del Monte ay isa sa mga halimbawa ng organisasyon na may malasakit sa kapwa. Ang kanilang mga proyekto ay nagdadala ng pag-asa at pagbabago sa buhay ng tao. Kaya naman nakipagtulungan ang Pretty Looks, a company specializing in permanent eyebrow treatments. Alam nyo, hindi lamang sila nagbibigay ng serbisyo, kundi ng pag-asa para sa mga taong nawala ng kilay dahil sa motherrhosis. Ang kanilang serbisyo ay nagbibigay ng bagong pag-asa at tiwala sa sarili. Alam niyo, ipinapakita nito na kahit na sa mga simpleng bagay, tayo'y makakagawa ng malalim na epekto sa buhay ng iba. Makakasama natin sina Dr. Ro at Susan de la Fuente ng Pretty Looks. Unahin natin si Dr. Ro de la Fuente, isang cosmetic surgeon ng Pretty Looks. Dr. Ro, what is motherrhosis? Naku, marami nagtatanong, ano ba yan? How common is motherrhosis and who are affected by it? Nakakahawa po ba ito?
Well, motherrhosis is commonly affects about 1 to 2% of the general population, and this is genetically linked. Tapos meron siyang biological aspect, nutritional aspect. Pagkatapos, hindi siya nakakahawa kasi ito ay pang-sariling karamdaman. Hindi siya nakakahawa kahit hindi man siya contagious, hindi man siya infectious, siya ay internally metabolic disorder ng katawan mo. So kahit na makipagyakapan ka sa ibang tao, hindi sila mahawa.
Wow, napakaganda naman ng paliwanag mo, Dr. Ro. Kaya kapamilya, tandaan natin ha, ang motherrhosis ay hindi nakakahawa kahit na makipagyakapan pa sila sa inyo. Ha? It is a metabolic disorder and genetically linked, sabi nga ni Dr. Ro. Okay, second question, Dr. Ro. Ano naman ang psychological or social impacts of motherrhosis on individuals?
Well, the psychological impact is they feel nagtatago sila kasi kinakantyawan, binubuli at an early stage as low as 2 years old. But generally speaking, motherrhosis comes along at the adolescent age. Yung bang mga 15, 20, dyan talaga siya lumalabas. Pagkatapos, magtatago sila, tapos ayaw nilang magmarkada, tapos ayaw nilang meron silang mga friends kasi ang feeling nila hindi sila pangkaraniwang tao na ang tingin sa kanila ng mga tao ay alien kaya ayaw nila makipagsalamuha sa isang taong walang kilay o walang pilit mata.
Salamat sa napakagandang paliwanag, Doc Ro. Naku mga kapamilya, matindi din daw pala ang psychological and social impacts nito sa kanila dahil pakiramdam nila ay sila ay alien. Kaya nga sila ay nabubuli, di ba? At dahil dyan nagtatago, kaya kung may kakilala kayong may motherrhosis condition, please be careful. Baka nasasaktan nyo na ang kanilang damdamin. Nakapanayam naman natin last time yung people no behind this Rotary. Pero ngayon, makakapanayam po natin ang chairwoman and founder of Pretty Looks sa si Susan De La Fuente. Siya ay may golden heart at misyon na tulungan ng mga taong may Mother Rose's condition. Susan, what urged you o anong nagtulak sa'yo to collaborate with the Rotary Club of San Juan del Monte in empowering people with Mother Rose's?
I have had a lot of years of experience in my life seeing a lot of people hindi napapakali kasi wala silang kilay. Since then, siguro mga 20 years ago, I noticed pati tumingin sa akin eye to eye, walang eye contact. So, I thought of handling these people. When they came to me, normally they come at an early age, kasama ang mga parents, and they would the parents would be the ones to talk to me, asking for discount and asking if I can help them. Usually, ang nasasabi ko sa kanila, huwag na kayong magbayad because I really feel for them. And I am here at your service to help out, do my best, help you get over this feeling of inferiority and low self-esteem. Lahat tayo dapat pinagkaloob ng Diyos ng magandang puso, magandang ayos, and kaya kami binigyan ng abilidad para matulungan kayo. Kaya tulong ko, pasa nyo rin sa iba.
Wow, Susan, your heart in helping people with Mother Rose's is such a noble thing. Grabe talaga. Susan, what message would you like to communicate to the family, friends, or kapitbahay of individuals with Mother Rose's?
Yes, I would like to tell everyone, even if you have a neighbor or a family member or even just a friend or even a son or daughter of a friend or a relative na walang kilay na nagtataka kayo kung bakit parang mababa ang self-esteem, please tell them to surface. Please tell them to come out. We are here. Pretty Looks is here with the help of Rotary Club of San Juan del Monte. We are here to help all of you. Uulitin ko po, ang mga indigents na walang kayang magbayad ng fee namin, alam ko it's a little pricey with all other clinics, but for me, personally, hindi po kami magcha-charge. I will be telling all my artists to do all of you free. Pero kung yung sa mga may kaya naman, we will still give you a bonus because you have that condition, 50% off.
Maraming salamat, Susan, for encouraging people with Mother Rose's condition to come out. Kaya kapamilya, huwag mahihiya. Kasi may free eyebrow treatments ka na, no? At lalo na sa mga indigents, imagine libre at 50% discount naman sa mga may kakayanan. Susan, can you share any success stories or cases where treatments have significantly improved the condition of people with Mother Rose's?
Marami akong na-encounter na initially, as I mentioned, they cannot even have an eye-to-eye contact with me. Now, they do. And they even thank me and say, Tita, thank you very much. I have handled cases at the age of 5 to 10, 12, 20, 18, 15, and many, many more. Some came in late, yung iba late 30s, kahit 40 meron din.
Maraming salamat, Susan, for sharing that. Iba talaga nagagawa ng kilay, di ba, kapamilya? Susan, how can collaborations between Rotary Club and Pretty Looks cause you to improve the lives of others?
Collaboration with clubs or civic clubs like Rotary Club of San Juan del Monte definitely will extend the announcement and the concept of this Mother Rose's treatment that we are doing.
Wow, thank you for that. And when do you intend to stop doing this advocacy? Helping people with Mother Rose's. Gaano ninyo ito katagal gagawin?
Kung gaano katagal namin gagawin, only God knows. God will provide. Kung wala man ako, I have already talked to my daughter, and my daughter will talk to her daughter, and her daughter probably will pass it on to the next generation, and we are really, really willing to help. Hindi ito one-time or one-year project. it's an advocacy that we would like to pass on and on.
Grabe, Susan, ha? Ito talaga yung tulong ko pasa mo. Not a one-year project, but you are willing to pass on and on and on and on to the next generation. Grabe, saludo ko sa'yo kasi ito yung klase ng advocacy na ayaw mong huminto. Susan, any last words?
Maraming salamat, Vic and Avelin, for giving us this opportunity to express what we have in our heart. Sabi nga sa Matthew 5:16, let your light shine before men so that people will see your good works and praise and glorify our God in heaven. Thank you so much. Tulong ko pasa mo. Maraming salamat.
Maraming salamat, Susan and Dr. Ro de la Fuente. We admire your mission in making a difference in the lives of people with motherrosis. Kaya kapamilya, lagi nating tandaan na ang kagalakang dulot ng pagbibigay ay walang kapantay. Iba ang saya na ating nararamdaman kapag alam nating nakakatulong tayo sa iba. Sa bawat ngiti na ating nakikita, lalo tayong napupuno ng kagalakan. And as we reflect on how to make a difference, let us remember that every act of kindness, no matter how small, is valuable in the eyes of God. Whether through serving in community projects like those of Rotary Club of San Juan del Monte, using our skills to empower others like Pretty Looks, or simply offering a helping hand, we are called to be light that shines in this world. Kaya kung kaya ng Rotary Club of San Juan del Monte and Pretty Looks to make a difference, kaya nyo rin. Magbabalik pa ang tulong ko pasa mo global. Huwag bibitiw!